Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I actually have another Dollar Tree haul. So I'm super excited. I found some more cute bunny themed things. But first I'm going to get to the less exciting stuff that I will be using in the future. So the first thing I bought were these two little, they are like dressing containers. They're squishy, you know, like you put like ranch or something in there, like basically just like that. But I am using them to hold bobby pins. I don't know if you can see them, but I have two different ones. These are all black, and these are like slightly colored. There's like pink, blue, green. And what's really cool is you can take it and just like tip it over, and then some come out. So I thought these were really useful for wigs and stuff. That's originally why I bought all of these. Another thing I will be using for wigs is I bought... It comes in a pack of 3, these little like nets, and what I thought would be awesome is I can put the wigs inside to help keep them from getting tangled in travel. So, you know, like put something in the wig, like tissue paper or something to help keep its shape, and then put it in here to help keep it together. At least that's the plan, so hopefully that'll work. Now, moving on to the bunny things. So the first thing I got, and like these are all for decoration, the first thing I got was this little purple bunny. It's supposed to be a washcloth, but I'm just going to use it to decorate, to hang up. I think it is so cute though. Alright, the next things are kind of similar but different colors. And they are these two really cute bunny baskets. One is blue, one is pink, and I just thought they were so cute. I love them so much, and they're just so cute. And then the last bunny thing that I have is this. This is like supposed to be, well, I mean, it is like an egg where you can put stuff inside. Like Easter treats or like candy or little toys or something, or, you know, like a gift like to your kids, or a gift to pretty much anyone technically. But it's supposed to be an egg, but there's nothing inside of it for me. I just will have it for decoration, and I think it's so cute. And there were other colors of these. I just picked blue. I believe there was blue, purple, yellow, and pink, and I picked the blue one. So, and then the last thing, which isn't bunny themed, but I had to pick up some more, were the Pokemon cards. So I will be opening these shortly. Well, for me it'll actually be in 2 minutes, but for you it will be next video. So that is it for my little Dollar Tree. Again, more bunny themed things. Over there is where I will be putting them. They will be like slightly decorated over here, and actually those things are from last Dollar Tree video that I didn't quite like get to them yet, but hopefully soon. Alright. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!